it goes.
And there it starts. So guys, can we just get a quick thumbs up that everyone can hear us okay, please?
It's not, it's live, people are coming on it. They're commenting before it's come on the screen.
So, hey Hazel, hey Joanne, hey Alison, hey David, hey Lucy, our Lucy.
Hey Lou.
Hey Helen, hey Cindy.
Excuse
Hey
me.
Catherine. Hey Lucy Derbyshire. Oi oi, lovely. Hi Andrea, hi David, hi Joanne. Oh, hi Paranormal Expo UK guys, welcome.
Welcome, yeah.
Hi Alison. Hi Maria.
Blah, blah,
Hope
blah, blah.
everyone's doing alright. Hi Julie. How's everyone's Saturday's been? See, we were on time as well.
There's a right glare, isn't there, from
It's
chimney?
that kitchen light.
Oh, is it that? Yeah, but we'll not have no light at all. I couldn't pretend that off.
Oh well.
Yeah, you can see us, can't you?
Hang on.
No, it's fine. You can see that's fine. There's no glare. Oh,
Lights, camera, action. Perfect. Thanks, Lucy. Hey, Roisin.
roll, your boat.
Saturday is Monday. Oh, bless you. I'm guessing you've been working, Hazel.
Not good today.
Oh, bless you, Lucy. If you need out, give me a shout.
Lights bouncing on Ginger's head. Like, but other than that, good.
I had a good day.
Hey, Sharon, you alright? Just give it a couple of minutes.
Oh, yeah. It's not Saturday.
Have you said Saturday? Well, have you put something about Saturday?
No, I've just said, how's everyone's Saturday going? It's alright. It's because we're at the caravan. I'm not used to being off.
Yeah, she's busy on computer.
Oh, Lucy, that's a promise for him. You know that.
What's that? Oh.
Yeah, no, Hazel, I know. I've got the days mixed up.
Is there a doll there? That red one. That you gave her.
It's alright, just writing exactly what you're going to say down. Do you know, it's like...
Well, I'll get told off if I go through the same things all over again, you see, so...
I think so. I think Paranormal Expo, I think it's down to the fact that I'm actually on annual leave and I forgot that I was on annual leave in one aspect because we usually come down to the caravan at end of week, don't we, for weekend?
Yeah.
Is Bobby still down
No. But Teddy is. Do you want Teddy?
there? No, I've got one Teddy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Under
God.
Tony's backside.
I've just trumped on it, I know. I did think it was Monday. Yeah, it's alright, she's a bit gone in head, you see. That's what it is. That's what it is.
Sod off, cheeky shit. Well, we have got the rest of the team with us.
Do you want to try coming on it? I can put Lincoln if you want.
Look,
I can try it, see if it echoes.
we've got Jane Trina over there.
I'll tell you what, I'll put that on. I'm down here.
Yeah, you can see you.
Yeah.
I'm down here.
Hi guys.
I'm sat in dark because I'm trying to put Babby to sleep. Not that she's going to be going.
She's got her in headlock.
Definitely Paranormal Expo. It's been a long day, but it's been a fun day. Alison says hi, Jane Trina.
Hi.
Hi, yeah. Casey says hello as well. Yeah.
Jodie and you and sleep.
Oh dear.
Go sleep.
Lucy Damage says, hey, Grandad, Mama T, and beautiful Casey.
Hey Lucy.
Hey, Lucy.
Hi, Lucy.
Oi! Madam, you should be going to sleep. Night-night.
Night.
Lay down. Lay down.
She ain't going to sleep.
But yes, obviously if you can share it out, I'm not going to share it out. It's a first. But if you can share it out, it's open for anybody, this. Is it?
Now stop it.
Yeah, but you're not connected to the thing, are you? My signal were rubbish.
Lucy says, hi Jay, hi Mum.
Hi, Lucy.
Lucy Darvish says, she's so cute. We know, she's like gorgeous.
She bloody isn't.
Hey,
Cindy,
Cindy.
Love
Cindy
you,
says,
Lucy.
thanks Lucy Derbyshire.
Lucy, Melbourne, love you. We love Lucy Derbyshire
I
as
shared
well.
now.
Cindy,
I'm banned.
hope you have a great holiday and hey to you all.
Oh, no, that comes for hi, Jay, and hi, Mum.
She's called me Mum for a long, long time.
Yeah.
For about a year.
Hey,
or
Patricia
so.
from New Zealand.
Hey Patricia.
Casey.
Ah, thank you, Lucy. You love me as well.
She
Ah,
loves
thank
us
you.
all lots too.
Thank you. She loves us all.
She's still my niece.
Yes, you
She's
are.
my niece, she's my gorgeous niece.
Sorry, Dad.
We're missing you.
She
Sorry.
said, Lucy says, sorry Dad, then for fuck's sake.
We're missing you.
It's only like she's normally at work anyway. We don't see her when she's at work anyway.
Yeah, you need to try and come out with us one night.
Yeah, you're still the fit team.
She'll have to come out on a Thursday.
Oh, she could come out Wednesday night, couldn't she? Because she's not working Thursday.
I know, but it might be a bit too much when she's been at work all day Wednesday.
Yeah.
Let's see
Yes.
how she feels.
See how you feel. But you can come out with us.
She'll be too giddy at minute. She gets a bloody new car too.
I know. It's also payday in 2 weeks.
So yeah, so we've got some announcements to do. I don't know what they are. What are they? My brain's completely gone. We've got quite a few. We've got quite a few announcements. We have got quite a few announcements to make. To be fair, I've decided I'm changing to be a woman. You are as well, Jay, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, Lucy,
Yeah.
my dad on Friday about 2, her and Ailey are going around whipping in the new car.
Alright.
So yeah, so
How dare she go around on Friday?
me and Jay now want to be known as was it non-binary? Is it?
Hi, Sue.
Because we did quite like them that dress we bought overnight, didn't we? Yeah,
That were hilarious.
It was funny. It was funny.
No, you're not picking
Yes.
it up.
So yes, that's the first announcement. Second announcement is obviously we're going to be doing You Make a Better Woman Ginge.
It certainly
Looks
does.
stunning, don't it?
Hey, wait till what we announce for Halloween.
Oh yeah. Oh, Lucy's already guessed.
Lucy knows
Lucy's
about
already
Halloween.
guessed. But yes. So I will start. So
We've got a busy October.
we've got a busy October, put it that way. So yes, what we're going to do, we've been on about doing this for a few weeks, but now we've got a few bits and bobs to give away for it. So we're going to be doing a raffle. I will obviously put a post up on it. We're looking at doing 40 numbers.
If that needs to increase, we will increase
If it needs to increase, if you think that's not enough, obviously we will increase that. But we are looking at doing it as a £1 a ticket. But let me tell you what you can win for that £1 a ticket. We've got American Sweet Bundle, which is worth about 40-50 quid.
Yeah.
About 40-50 quid. I put 40 quid here, but it's worth about 40-50 quid. That'll be probably prize number 1, but bear with us on that one. Second prize, we've got Spirits of the Afterlife Cup. I think Jackie's got one with sweets. That's worth about 15 quid-ish. It's worth about 15 quid-ish. 15-20 quid. Third prize, a Spirits of the Afterlife Cup, just on its own. We might put a little thank you card in there as well for you. We are going to get some thank you cards. Fourth prize, we are going to be doing
random number.
No. Fourth prize, so the fourth number what comes out, you'll get a month free. Supporters.
For October.
I would probably advise on October due to what I'm going to tell you in a minute. But the big special prize is we are going to pick a random number out of those 40 numbers. None of you all will know it. We will pick a random number.
We'll do a random number generator on screen.
We can't. How the hell can we do?
Because we'll allocate numbers to each names.
Yeah, but we were going to pick a number before the numbers get picked out, so it makes it a bit more different. Okay. Do you get what I mean? Yeah. So we'll pick a number before all the numbers go. And then that one lucky number. So essentially, you could end up winning two prizes.
You haven't said what the prize
I know,
is.
but I'm going to tell them. the surprise lucky number for that, what we pick, will be what?
Like bonus ball.
It's like
Yeah.
a bonus ball. Will be a year's free supporters access. A year. So essentially, someone could buy 4 tickets and essentially win 4 prizes. Essentially. I'll have a £10 worth, please. Bloody hell!
Right, that's 10. That's 10 numbers
Right,
gone.
Roshi, do I need to knock it up from 40 to 50?
So there's some really good prizes there, guys.
Obviously, if a supporter does win it, obviously the supporters thing. Obviously, you don't pay for 12 months if you win the 1 year one or the
Do you
month
know what?
one,
I'm
you don't
actually
pay
going
for
to
a
throw
month.
in another one there.
Oh, here we go.
One other number for that supporter to come out if they're close to us, to come out on any hunt. So they can come out and join us on a hunt. So they'll see the behind the scenes, the setup. We'll teach them. We'll let them get involved.
Depending on location.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Depends on location, yeah.
Sharon Derbyshire wants 10 numbers.
You didn't give me a chance to.
Bloody hell.
Go on.
Depending on the location of the supporter, we could always find somewhere in that area to go.
Yeah.
Not necessarily
Yeah.
the supporter local to us, but we could find somewhere to go within that area of that supporter.
You putting rollers in your hair?
I like that idea.
I don't know why I'm watching you on my phone when you sat like 3 foot away from me.
No, I
That's
don't
what she's
mind.
on screen.
Unless you're reading comments, are you?
Sharon Derbyshire's having 10. Rosie, we've got 20
Right.
numbers gone already. I think we're going to have to up this to 100 numbers.
Right. Are you alright if I knock it to 50 numbers then?
Cindy's having 5.
So that's 25 numbers gone already.
Just leave it at 40.
Are you happy to leave it at 40 or?
Well, we need to bug it up.
We'll go 50. We'll go for 50 because half of them's already gone, aren't they?
Yeah.
We'll go for 50. We're not going to do any higher than 50.
So, what are we picking the numbers for them? Or are they picking their own?
No, they're going to pick the.
I'll put a sheet up later and
We'll
they can
put a
pick
sheet.
their own
Just
numbers.
doubles up.
Well, then we just have
We
to-
say-
Right, so you've got numbers between 1 and 50. The people, obviously, it'll go on order.
When you
If you send us a
put your
message.
requests through for the numbers, if you'd send us what numbers you want between 1 and 50. And if we're duplicated, we will let people know.
Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a piece of paper now. I'm going to write a number. I'll show it early so you know. But I'll pick the number before anyone sends me a number.
What's that for?
For the lucky.
Let Trina pick it.
You pick a number.
Jay, get up and get the piece of paper
Write a
and a
number
pen.
between 1 and 50.
Or just
This is
tell,
before.
Just tell Tony the number.
Well, you can't tell me the number on here, can you?
Just go like that.
Oh, for Christ's sake.
Right. And fold it over. Bleeding hell, honestly. Yeah, if you can do it via PayPal, obviously, and just do it as friends and family, obviously it don't take money off. But I think a lot of people know that anyhow. Online event now, when doing it, show your screen on the screen. Yeah, but I mean, the random, we are going to use the random numbers. Oh, bloody hell, Lucy's sent numbers down already. You've already wrote the number down, right?
Yeah, I'm not even looking at it. We're not looking at it.
Well, how are we going to...
We'll put this. So, the number is on there, guys. It's on there. We haven't seen it. The only person that knows about it is Trina.
Oh, yeah, put it in a bloody tablet box where we'll end up losing it. That'll be alright.
Well, no,
Hey,
see,
JB, alright, love. So I'm
right
just
on
nearly a
it,
cup then.
lucky number or something.
That's what I was playing. See, we have a brain, us.
Right.
What are you doing here?
So Lucy's asked for 10 numbers. 69. I don't think 69's in. We're doing it as a pound a number. Did you hear? Were you on at the beginning, Alison?
Lucky number is in there.
Right, so we put the lucky number in a tablet box, yeah?
We
I
haven't
drew a
seen it.
four,
I don't know
yeah.
what it is. Trina, do I know what it is?
No.
Oh, bloody hell, they're all
See,
sending
let's
numbers.
write these numbers down, what people are
Tony's doing
wanting.
it.
Must have come in.
I ain't got
Too
pen.
fast.
What are you doing with pen?
This.
This is confusing me. I'm going for a fag.
But yeah, I'll quickly tell you, I'll listen again. So,
That's
40
pen and paper.
well, we did have 40 numbers, but I think we've had to up it to 50 numbers already. Just give me any 10. Right, alright, yeah, that's fine. So, Cindy's... Lucy did actually pick some.
Hang on.
You
Cindy.
Lucy did put the numbers in first, though.
Which do you want to go in? Which do you want to do? Stop trumping on my bed.
Oh, I think Lucy's picked a different one than him. We weren't expecting you to put the numbers on this live, actually. We were expecting you to put them on the post after, but it makes it easier for me to put the post up with numbers what's already gone. Oh. I don't think anyone else has put any numbers in.
Hey, Jamie.
Hey, Jamie. What numbers are left? Oh, bloody hell. Right.
So, alright, hang on. Just carry on. I'll come back to that in a sec.
I'll come back to you. So yeah, sorry, I was saying to Alison, weren't I? 10 for me too, please. Bloody hell. Just random. We'll send after live. Are we going to have enough numbers here with bloody 50? I think they've nearly all gone already, haven't they? What are you doing?
She alright?
So yeah, so first prize. God. First prize is American Sweet Bundle, which is worth about 40-50 quid. Second prize, a cup with sweets, American Sweets. I think it's going to be American Sweets, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that's worth probably 15-20 quid. These will be shipped to you as well. Obviously, we're not going to make you come to ours to pick them up. Third prize is a Spirits of the Afterlife cup. The other one was a Spirits of the Afterlife cup as well. And that's worth about... We've valued it about a tenner. Fourth prize is 1 month free supporters, but I'd advise you using that for October. Even if you didn't join now, obviously join it in October. You might as well use it then because it's got quite a bit in October. And then one special prize which we've already picked. What I don't know why it's been put. Trina's picked a number. She won't know any of these numbers what's come out at the minute. She's picked a number and we've put it in a box.
No, and I don't want to know him.
No, well, this is the thing, you won't know him. That's the thing, yeah. So it could be that one of you has already picked that number. That number will win a year's free supporters. Sharon sent hers.
Well, you know what you're doing with all this because it sounds like a lot of numbers.
Well, Sharon's already sent the 10 quid already. But Sharon said she wanted 10 random numbers, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Roisin's sent £10 as well. So, have we run out of numbers already?
It's going to be between about...
That's 35, I think, already, isn't it?
I don't know. You're doing it.
Oh.
It's your idea.
What the bloody hell?
No.
Yeah, Sharon wanted 10 random numbers. Let me know what's left now, I'll have some. Oh my days.
Right, so Sharon. You just carry on.
So we've got Roche. They've got a bit. I think they're nearly all gone. So Roisin's had 10. Sharon's had 10.
Don't shut up a minute.
Alison's had 10.
There is some proper glasses at the back there.
Roisin, see, I know, see. Jamie says she'll have 5 random.
Can I have 5?
No, you can't. You can't be involved. Hey up, Dawn and Stuart. Right, if you want a random, if you want some raffle tickets, you're gonna have to be quick because I think they might have already gone already.
When is it getting drawn, this?
They'll be getting drawn tomorrow
Right,
at this
I've
rate.
done Sharon's. I've done Sharon's. Who else has just paid? Roisin.
Roisin's paid, yeah. Oh, I don't think anyone else has come through. We weren't expecting payment like now, but straight away. But
Well, we've got nothing else to do.
we've got nothing else to do.
Dogging don't start while 10.
Yeah, I think we'll be finished for 10 o'clock. We can go dogging.
5.
That's how we roll on
What's the
holiday.
score? So what's happening, Sophie? We're doing a raffle. I'll quickly tell you. See, I don't want to keep knocking number up because I feel bad for these people at the
Yeah,
bottom.
I'll just stick it at 50.
We're going to stick it at 50, yeah.
Once they're gone, they're gone.
Once they're gone,
You
they're
just
gone.
have to keep count of how many people are having in.
Well, 40 on it.
And then Jamie.
And then
No, but I said to knock it to 50 because, yeah.
Cindy Stacey says, Tony, need your people, please.
Yeah, I'll send it through to you now.
3,
Jamie says, let me know where to send money.
4,
It's busy.
5. So I've got Jamie's down. I've got Cindy's.
What
Well,
we're gonna
The
do?
numbers I've got left are
Oh, bloody.
8, 32, 34, 36, 37, 39, 41, 44 and 49.
So how many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So 9 numbers left.
So what we got? Cindy, Sharon, Roisin, Lucy. That's the
And
only one.
Jamie.
Alison said,
Jamie.
have you got hers?
Yeah, you can put Alison's on. Alison wants 10.
Alison wants 10.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're not got 10, have we?
No,
Nine.
there's only 9.
I'll have to do.
Right, I don't know how we're going to do this, guys.
It's alright,
'cause
I've got
Hold
10.
on. Is Alison in America?
It don't matter. We can still send it.
America?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Well, there you go then.
2, 3.
Yeah, but you can't send it by her
Oh.
mail because Tony's bald.
5,
So are you.
Oh, yeah.
6.
Oh,
Alison said if
Canada.
worst case scenario, I should do 9. But I still
7,
think there's people what up the
8,
numbers to 100. Right,
9.
I don't know what we're going to do here. Right, so is everyone happy if we knock the numbers up? I don't know what we're going to do because I feel a bit bad for
10.
these people. What's that?
Because I've filled all the 50 numbers in already.
Well, you got 51 because Alison's got 10. Alison did say she'd have 9.
But I've got 51.
So you've got on there at the minute. You've got Lucy, Roisin, Sharon Derbyshire.
So I've got Lucy, D.
Right. So, the numbers, what you've got for the people, tell them which number, to get a pen and paper and read out their numbers so that they know which numbers they've got.
I'm going to send them all by message.
Just going to put.
Well, it'd
put
be
them on.
quicker to just say it on
Yeah.
the screen.
No, because people can miss.
Yeah, I think.
So I've got Lucy,
See, a lot of
Sharon,
them are happy to knock it up. It's just that some
up
of
it
them
to
are
100.
some of them are going to have all the way up to like from 50 upwards, aren't they? Others are going to be 54, 50.
Yeah. David's just had a good point.
Yeah.
Alison Thompson, what's left?
We put your 10 down, but we've gone up to 51 at the minute. But I think there's still other people.
I'd knock it up to 70.
Knock it up to 70, right.
I'm going to knock it to 100. I'm knocking it to 100.
Right, we'll knock it to 100. Right, just do it that way, bleeding, hell, honestly.
Everybody's saying knock it up.
I have actually just looked at the... I was on about this with Donny the other day, and it probably looks like you're probably going to have to pay... It's going to cost about £9 for a cup.
Key rings, fridge magnets.
I'm doing-
Because
I'm doing-
where we order
I
from,
can-
we've got to
I've
get a
got an
certain
idea
amount
for the
for it to
key
probably work out good enough.
Roisin's
Roisin's had another 5 then, bloody hell.
Tony, can you just go on WhatsApp on your phone, please? Because I've just sent a message. But obviously I didn't want to see it.
Right, because the numbers are going up, right, I'll tell you what we're going to do.
If you want to, it's just an idea.
We're going to have to put some more prizes in, aren't we? But yeah, what we'll do...
Sophie Lynch, so how much are tickets? Sorry.
Sorry, I forgot to say that into... Sorry, Sophie. It's £1 a ticket. But what you've got, I don't know if you heard what we said we've got.
I'm tempted to do it up to 150. Because we've got that many numbers. And like David said, people after the stream might want some.
Right, I'll tell you what we'll do then.
This has all gone tits up.
It's gone, I weren't expecting, to be fair, there's many people being interested, but I suppose that's just what we like, though. Yeah, that's what we like.
I'm going to 150 to allow any extras. So if you pick a number between 1 and 150,
I'd just leave it at 100.
Just leave it.
Let's leave it at 100. Right, so what we'll do, We'll put one more big prize. Whoa, what's going on here? What the hell? What the hell are you doing here?
I don't know why I don't come up like that.
Sorry
Right.
about that. It's something
Someone requested.
Thank
to
you,
do it.
Sophie. Love you too.
So we are, Lynn. We are going to be doing key rings and fridge magnets.
Yeah, if I'm being honest, we've just been hectic. Obviously, we're working and stuff.
It's
We
knocked
only
up.
really looked at the what?
Numbers are knocked up.
Hey, so that's numbers. Now, I
Right,
know it's
so-
not
I'm doing it to 113 because 13 is my lucky number.
So we've got.
Right, so what we're gonna do-
22 to.
We're up to 130.
Yeah, but we
113.
need so I need to add this extra pricing down. So honestly,
Should have rehearsed this.
we should have. Well, I weren't expecting this much. Honestly, I weren't expecting this much interest. To be fair, but like I said, that's what we like. That's what we like.
It's the viewer one what wants to come out with us. That's what it is.
Right. So what we're gonna do?
So,
We're gonna chuck another prize in, another big one. A year's supporters.
We've got that already.
No, I'm gonna chuck another one in.
Another 2, yeah.
So we'll chuck another year's supporter in. So you'll have 2 random numbers. So I'll get Trina to pick a number now. Between
1 and
one of what?
13.
Well, yeah, but it can't be the same number as what you
No,
have.
no, it
Yeah,
can't.
that's the thing.
She knows what number it is.
So what-
But Trina doesn't know these numbers. What's being given so far. And she doesn't know who's got what
Oh.
numbers. Aww.
what were you saying?
No, we do appreciate
Thanks,
all your
Lucy,
support.
for
and
putting
everything.
that, darling.
Thank you. Can you pin your PayPal? Yeah, I'll just put it in there.
I did not expect this.
No, I'll be honest with you, I didn't.
I'm
But
glad you two are doing it because this is just.
I've got it all written down.
it's
We're all
straight
right.
over my head. But you're going to be the ages messaging everybody with the numbers.
no, I'm
No,
going to put a
no.
post on with all the numbers what everyone's got.
I'm gonna
You only
gotta
do
put
like
one
I'm gonna
post
do
in.
like a screenshot of a spreadsheet.
Yeah,
We love you all too.
we do. We love you all. Yeah. Well, we said we love you all the time, don't we? Because we do. We think you're as all as family.
We do. We are
Family.
Give me another piece.
I haven't missed anyone out. What's asked, have I? Because Bailey's writing. When will this raffle be drawn?
As soon as our numbers are gone.
You know what? As soon as numbers are gone, I weren't expecting this.
Yeah, Trey.
I don't think we're going to draw tonight. Don't get me wrong. I'm not going to say we're going to do it tonight.
I'm gonna say probably about a week.
Jamie.
I don't think we'll have to do it one big enough.
Jamie's be back in a minute going to pay.
How many did Jamie ask for?
Yeah. Jamie's got 5.
Can we organise it first? Yeah, honestly, I'm flabbergasted, and I think all these are as well.
Thank you.
We thank
It means
you
a
all,
lot.
Yeah. Did you
Can
see?
we- can-
Yeah, we did, Lynn.
Can we just do it to 1,000,000 numbers?
A million numbers. Is everyone all right with that?
Don't we, please?
We'll be millionaires. Yeah, millionaires.
Evening, John Cox.
Evening, John. You're all
Lynn,
right,
we did. You look absolutely fabulous in it, sweet.
Lynn, are you okay for us to put that on our normal page, not the supporters page? I were going to message you earlier. I saw it when we were on his way down.
Yeah.
£1,000,000. There you go. Sophie says £1,000,000. Right. There we go. We're packing in after we make $1 million now. Is that all right?
You'll all be
Trina, you know
invited
when
to
you
a
folded it,
party in
do you want to
Barbados,
put a number
Barbados,
1 and a number 2?
I'm just going to check
put
now.
number 2 on this one, so we knew.
And then the
which-
viewer, and then whoever's won the 2, we can get, whoever messages us first picks the first number.
Alison's
Yeah,
said-
Jamie sent 5.
Alison's asked if you've still.
I've got-
Alison, yeah, I've received it. Alison, thank you.
Yeah, I've got Alice's number. Who else said they wanted another 5 numbers?
Roisin sent 10.
Right,
Sharon
guys,
sent 10.
so
Alison.
there they are.
Hey Wayne.
There's the 2 numbers. Where are we? And they've got
1,
a
2.
number 1 and a number 2 on them.
Yeah. So
Hey Wayne, hope you're alright, darling.
Sophie wants 5. Right. Oh, I needed to pin that thing, didn't I?
And they've now gone in the box.
I don't know how I'm going to
yeah.
do this.
So you can either take the money or open the box.
There.
Right, let me just pin that for you.
Sure.
Right, I'll put that on there. So that's if you can send it to there, that'd be perfect.
Yeah.
So Roisin.
Can I take 50-50 as an half right?
So Roisin was the one that said another 5 on top of the 10, weren't it? Is that Roisin? That's
yeah.
15,
She wants
isn't it?
15, yeah.
So
Are you wanting 5 randoms or 5? Did Roisin pick 5 numbers? I think she had.
she's got the 10. I've got the 10. And
Yeah,
then
but
she's
she had
after
10
another
randoms,
5.
didn't she?
Yeah. It's just
5
the dog
randoms.
that's,
5 randoms,
upset
weren't it?
her at the moment.
Yeah, I've seen your
John
page,
Cox
James. Thank you.
has said, can I take a 50-50 and
Yeah.
I don't have friends? So what are we then if we're not
Oh,
friends?
see how it is.
Oh, so I thought we were friends.
Lucy's sent money as well, I think. She says.
I've got Roisin's numbers.
Yeah, Lucy sent money. Cindy's.
You've seen what Wayne's put.
So the men in dresses looking sexy, to be honest.
Hey.
Hey, you know what? Hey, if anyone wants a signed picture, I'll even send you a signed picture.
Succulent 5.
Me and Jay and we'll get pictures signed for you in his women's clothes. Sophie's got the 5 winning ones.
Hey, Kimbo.
Hey up, Kimbo. Hey.
Sophie Lynch has put 5 winning ones, only joking 5 randoms, please.
I'm sure it was Sophie who said that number, weren't it, originally?
I'll tell you what.
You know what,
confused,
Alice?
I would,
Yeah, I'm a little bit confused. I weren't expecting, like, as soon as I said what it were, but.
And I hope you've got these prizes, Dan.
I'm not confused,
Yeah.
but I'm just not interfering.
Right, pass it,
Hang on.
I know, right, so we'll need to.
I'm going to do a post after.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to chuck another 2 1-month supporters for
How
free.
was that? 4?
No, we've got
Right,
2 years,
so-
2 1-year ones, which is the big one, which is the random ones what
Times
Trina's
2.
done. And then we're going to have 3
Times 3.
1 month for free.
There.
Yeah.
Are you just picking numbers out, or are you just picking a person?
All these
for
will do
those?
generator.
We'll just pick the
number
numbers.
generators,
So
yeah.
I'm going to do a number generator.
Yeah. Obviously, when we do the number generator, guys,
We'll do it
ignore
on the live.
ignore the first number what comes out because we
Jane,
want to be
hey,
fair.
Jane Medley. Alison, no, I'm not confused. I'm used to doing stuff like this all the time.
I'll say I'm not confused, but I'm just not
2
interfering.
hunts that they can join. I like that, David.
We did say about hunts actually. Yeah, we can do a thing for hunts. So 2 hunts. Would you rather that be 2 separate hunts, as in 2 different numbers,
2
or
locations,
no, 2 different numbers?
2 different numbers.
Or would you rather that be 2
2
hunts
separates.
as in what 2 separate people or 2? Yeah.
Hey, my beautiful daughter.
This is how I roll. Dr. Pepper in a wine glass.
Dr Pepper in a wine
Jimmy.
glass.
Raffle to win some great prizes. Do you know what I'm tempted to say? You know, if we get the full 113.
Have you only? That's a bit of a
Listen,
random number, 113.
13 is a nice looking number.
Oh
We
yeah,
get the
13
full
is a lucky
113.
number.
Well, yeah, shit!
Oh, God.
I know what it was.
Well, work him out. Where am I going?
That way!
What? Why
Right,
not?
let's do it. We get the full 113 numbers.
Oh, she's going to put it across first because so none of us have a go at her for what she's going to offer.
What? A date with Tony.
If we get the full 113.
I'm happy with that. Yeah. Can you read
I
it?
don't know anybody called Charity.
Right, alright, so we're going to put that in. Right, so this is what we're going to do, and we'll show proof that we've done this. Right, because we're flabbergasted with this.
And I'm
Whatever
gonna,
we
it's gonna
get,
be,
we are going to do that.
they can't, can they see it? So whatever we do, guys, whatever we make,
It looks
half
like
of
off.
it.
Hang on a
Who's that?
second.
Who's Chanter? Never heard of him.
No.
No, I can see it anyhow.
Oh.
Whatever we get, guys, half the money is going to go to a charity. And what we'll do is we'll put a poll up for which charity it goes to.
So we'll do a poll and let.
I'm thinking Thornbury Animal Sanctuary because
There's loads of different charities.
There is
around
loads, yeah.
Christmas they really struggle on.
So
Well,
there's
what is
different
it?
ones.
There's loads of
There's
charities.
children's
Tell you what,
charities.
we'll have to put all the charities that we all think of. We'll have to
Yeah.
put them into a hat or something.
We'll put one a poll.
And it will go to charity. I
and
guarantee
we'll
it
just
will go to
pick one.
charity.
Oh,
Yeah.
Depending on what, we'll pick 1 or 2.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
might pick 2
Might take
and split
2.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I split it, yeah.
But we'll put half of this to charity.
Yeah.
How do we get tickets? You
Give me your numbers. I've got a few numbers. I've got 52, 53, 54, and some other numbers.
Or if you just want to send us your Visa card details.
long card number, CV2 on back.
Sharon Derbyshire, pick
Thanks.
a charity close to your heart.
There's too many.
Yeah.
So cancer research is a good one for me.
Regine,
'Cause
well done,
obviously
guys. That's so nice of you.
Because like Sheffield Children's Hospital for me, or Beckwith Wiedemann Children's Foundation's another one.
Sophie, don't mind with my references. I set my PayPal up wrong and put my name as Sophia.
that's fine.
Tell I'm from
Kimberly,
Essex.
3 random. Yep, they're £1 each, darling. It's to the thingy on Tony's.
Lucy Derbyshire, Lily, my lovely lady. Kimberly, 3. Dawn and Stuart, St. Luke's.
Yeah, that's another one we were thinking.
We'll put a poll up. We'll put a poll up. If you want to put in what you'd
Have you
like.
got Kimberly Foster's
I've got hers
Yeah.
down.
She's
Just doing them.
I've just done them.
She said there's £1 each. Yes, they are.
yeah, we've said that, yeah. I've started a charity for ugly nans. I think me and Jay are going to do an ugly man's calendar, I think, for this year, aren't we?
We could do a Christmas calendar.
If you want to, do you want us to do a Christmas calendar?
Hey, we could, couldn't we? I could do
Christmas calendar.
photography for it.
Yeah. Do a
Yeah,
Christmas
but then you
calendar.
have to be in it.
No, it's for men. We can dress up as women in it and everything, can't we? I quite like dressing up as a woman, actually.
Did Lynn put?
Dementia, yeah.
Yeah, there's loads in there.
Is that one what? I can't remember what neighbour it is. That with memory loss.
Yeah,
Sorry.
the ones
It's
that
cracked
hang on.
up.
Cindy's just had a point. The one that wins first prize choose the charity.
Yeah, fantastic.
Haley, you need to start getting
Scary
worried now.
Christmas
Though.
calendar,
Yeah.
all right.
Mine-
What do you want to say, Lucy? Lou? Let's see what our Lucy's put
I
on.
know.
There's
Scary
absolute
Christmas
loads.
calendar, more like.
But you know what? I think we might start. And
Whoa, Starsy wants 20.
Yeah. By the way, just mention, guys, that the box of sweets
is from Candy
is
Star,
from
from
Candy
Candy Stars.
and now he's buying 20 random numbers.
That is a good.
Yeah, well, the
Well, if he
thing.
wins, he'll win his own sweets back.
It
That's
won't.
probably why he's doing it.
No, but he might donate
It
them
won't,
back.
because he'll donate them
Yeah.
back. So we'll just pick another number on.
David Cody's put, can you even chip in if you don't want the number?
Oh, bless you.
Of course you can.
course
If you
you
want to
can.
PayPal, that's
If you
whatever.
want
But
to-
when you send, if you do send anything through, I prefer you not to. To be fair, I'd rather you just basically send it straight to
That's
charity.
Stars's put, and we will give a prize as well.
Yeah.
He's already given us a prize.
Well, it's pretty good.
Sheffield Children's Hospital saved my nephew's life when he was 1,
I know, I
and he
think,
died at 23.
I think-
Yeah, that's something that's very important
I
to me.
was going to say Sheffield Children's is very close to us as well, isn't it? They're
Yeah.
a big
Yeah.
part of
I
our
think
life.
I think the fair thing to
for
do is like
15 years.
what Cindy says. Whoever gets the #1 prize, let them choose.
Yeah, not that many people know, but Sheffield
Yeah.
Children's is actually very close to ours. To mine and Jay's are as
It is.
well.
It is Kimbo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot to tell you what's on the screen.
They were a big part of our life for 15 years.
But as you know, obviously, if we do the 113, the charity's gonna get sick. I
Well,
can't
it
even
looks
count.
like it's gonna go.
56.50, aren't they?
Stop moaning. We can get. Stop moaning, Tony. We can give another one.
All right. Fair enough. Fair enough. Proud sponsors of us, they are.
yes,
Yeah.
they are.
Is that email address?
Candy
okay?
Stars.
Candy.co.uk.
Yeah, give a look.
Kimberly's asked. Have you answered Kimberly?
Yeah, I've said it's the
Answer.
PayPal one. Yeah.
Right, I picked Stars's numbers.
We're seeing him tomorrow anyway. Lucy's put Sheffield Children's Hospital's close to her out as well. They
Yeah.
saved my life.
Yeah, they've
There's
saved
so
our
many.
Jack.
There's
haven't
so
they?
many hospitals out there, though, isn't
How
there?
come my notifications at my thing is like way behind?
Thank you, Kimberly, darling.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will do, Cindy.
What's that?
Put a list of charities.
Yeah, I think that we might. But I think it might be fair to just put loads of
List of
charities
charities.
and then put other, and then get you to put in what you'd like, or
And then the winner picks from you know, we'll have 5 top
We'll
ones and the
switch
winner
over
picks from the
to
top
you.
5. And then we'll have another one where the second place picks the second one.
Yeah, because we could split. Yeah. Well
If
yeah,
we end up going over the 113 numbers, they'll be getting a lot. But basically,
they're gonna get
half
more.
of
Aren't they?
whatever
Yeah.
we get
Is just gonna go straight away. Yeah.
is going straight to the charities. And the children's if
At this
if
reading
got
rate, I think we'll need a million
if it
numbers.
got picked at charity for Children's Hospital, I know the charity manager director, so I would
Sorry.
literally go and take it to him directly.
Guys, I don't know if you've got David's or not. You might need to do the charity for something with diabetes, since whoever wins will have it with the amount of
What do you
sweets
think we'll do?
left.
Have you ever had American sweets? Chuffing.
Roshi, we do need to sort that out for you.
Dawn,
Dawn,
Dawn
and
4.
Stuart, do you have 4 numbers left, please? 1 for each grandchild.
Yeah, of course we can.
Kimberly's saying definitely something to do with children.
I think so as well myself. Yeah.
Right, numbers for Dawn and Stuart, because this is...
Well, you're picking them. I don't want to look at them. You're picking them.
Right. Right, so...
Oh, is it bedtime yet?
He's falling asleep.
I am knackered.
David, the owner of the shop, is diabetic. Yeah, he is.
Yes.
Yeah, he is actually diabetic. Yeah,
Oh, it's Charlie that's answered it.
it is Charlie. Yeah,
Well, I'm diabetic, no, aren't I?
Yeah,
yeah.
but you don't eat much sweet stuff anyway.
Yeah.
Only once in a blue moon.
Right, I've got Dawn and Stuart's
Speaking of,
numbers.
did you have that new chocolate bar?
No, we got past raffle.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
we
got
even said there's other announcements, have
I
we?
know you did.
I know.
We thought you would go and get one actually.
I'll get my coat. Oh, David, we do want to speak to you actually. I'll
Yeah,
speak
we'll-
to you in the next few days. Expect a message off me about something.
Dawn and Stuart, I've got your numbers down, darling.
Or message you after live.
Well, I'll message you after live. But yeah,
Yeah.
I want to have a good chat with you about something, and I think it might be something you might be interested in. Are you all right, Robin Banks? 'Cause,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Jay said he's got getaway car, so you're all right with that, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can be one at Robbers.
I've just got to change.
Cool, no
number
worries, he
plates.
says. There you go. We've got balaclavas. That's a new range we're doing.
We've got 24 numbers left.
Oh, 24 numbers left.
24 numbers. Let's see if we can get rid of them 24.
Sophie, stop
tonight.
talking about sweets, my daughter.
You do realise if I hadn't have gone to 113, we'd only have 11 numbers left.
Sweets in law.
Dawn and Stuart want your private bank details.
PayPal screen, it's on.
Oh no, she wants private bank
Tell me I
details.
don't have
What?
PayPal
Yeah, I'll send
on.
them. Yeah. I don't know what they are offhand.
£3,000, we have face masks now.
But honestly, I think we have got some amazing prizes, but we'll put up another post that's just to clarify it all.
All the prizes. And,
All the prizes, everything, which I'll design like tonight, tomorrow. Is she asleep?
She is. She's on our bed though.
Oh dear,
Oh,
she's gone.
bless her.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh,
We're back
there you
to
go.
5%.
I've got to find the bank card what I have it paid into because I don't use my name.
And we'll put the poll up as well.
I've got it here. Oh my
So how
God.
many numbers left? 24?
24 numbers.
24 out of 113. 113, which is
It
it.
could end up going further up. But if it does go further up, guys, we will let people know.
I'm not being funny, but I think
It's just for people that are catching up.
Yeah,
yeah.
Like David said, everyone's got to have a fair chance.
Yeah.
But we will put a closing date on it.
Yeah.
I'm just.
Because if you think...
I nearly swore then because that's how
If you
flabbergasted
think
I am.
that
to be fair.
nearly 100 numbers already gone.
Yeah.
And we will provide proof of
Yeah.
the charity.
If it's a children's hospital,
it's a bit of a
like I say,
dodgy
I'll take it
subject.
directly.
It is a bit of a dodgy subject, charities and stuff like that, isn't
But
it?
we will.
I will 100%, and I'm a man on my word. I will provide proof.
If it's a children's hospital, it will be taken directly to them in cash to the director because we know I know him and I've worked with him, so I can get
Receipts,
a picture with
Yeah.
everything on it and everything, and it'll go in the Sheffield
Well, it
Children's
depends.
Hospital
It
newsletter.
depends what we've got to put the poll up for it, aren't we? We can't just say
Sophie, you
children's.
know it's going to go past 113 with us lot.
I know.
Alison, because we love your team.
It's all for a good cause, though.
It is. Don't get me wrong. We are.
Do it again. Maybe cap
Yeah.
the amount of tickets.
I says to her
Originally, I was only going to charge 50p a ticket.
for 30 tickets, yeah, but yeah. And I'm like, 50p for 30 tickets? I'm like, bloody hell, it's... So I says, no, we'll do 50, and then I thought 40, but yeah,
Shall
right.
we,
Right, one sec, let me just send the
Tony's looking
details.
stressed. Yeah.
I'm flabbergasted. I'm flabbergasted with it. I'm so
proud.
flabbergasted. I'm so proud of it.
We really appreciate it, guys.
I'm gonna say we got the prizes, but we didn't really expect it to fly
as much as
The
this.
response.
When we're doing, it's done, isn't it? Yeah, we need to send this. What's that?
Lucy Derbyshire. That's his bitch face.
I'm stung. Stung. That's not even. I can't even get my words out. That's how. Yeah, stunned. Not stung. Stunned.
It means an awful
It's
lot.
meant to be me and Ailey that have troubles with S's and T's.
Oh, I've had my tablet earlier, and so I probably will start
means
tongue
the
twisted.
world.
Hey, you know what? It might fall. It's supposed to start falling out anyhow. Luckily, I've only been on tablets 4 weeks, but I'm supposed to start losing a bit of hair. So, but I ain't got no hair.
Our Christian's already got the receding hairline.
Well, this is definitely none of this is for us personally. This is half to charity. The rest will go towards getting out more equipment and hiring bigger and better venues.
It is open. We're not going to lie and say it's not helping us.
Talking of bigger and better venues. What have we got for October, guys?
Whoa.
Yeah.
We were planning on getting one. We might even get another one for September yet. But wow, all I'm going to say is for October. Lucy,
Jane, of course we can.
Of course you can.
It's on these screens, sweetheart. Do you want random numbers or do you want?
You might be better with random numbers at the minute.
Yeah. So Jane Medley.
But yeah. So we have booked. I don't know if I should say where we're going yet, actually. But yeah, we've booked.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah. Right. So we've booked as Halloween one. That's all booked. And we are also going to another one. So the Halloween one's booked to the 30th.
Reportedly, one of Britain's most haunted.
Sophie says, "Tell us, lol."
Oh, the other one. No, that's not the 30th. That's another one.
Jane says, "Random, lovely."
Perfect.
That's
Done
fine.
for me, darling.
Thank you.
I will send everybody these out over the next 24 hours.
You know what? I will tell you where we're going on the 30th. We are going to the Underground again. And the reason we're going there is because all of us, including Secret the Unknown, were absolutely flabbergasted with that place. We will.
But the bloke made it enjoyable.
You know what? You know the other reason? Charity. Every bit we give to him, he goes to charity as well.
So half goes to cancer research and half goes to the Yorkshire Air Ambulance.
Yeah, but he was such a good host and everything. But the place were amazing. We had some good evidence there. Signal were a bit hit and miss. We're not going to lie, we're a bit hit and miss, but we are going to sort that for next time.
Charlie's just said, Trina, check your phone.
So we are going to go back there. I think we're going to go down a bit earlier, but there will be a bit of a twist to it, but we're not going to let you know what the twist is yet.
Oh, we're not letting you know the twist.
We're not going to let you know the twist on that one.
It's that secret.
I don't
even know what is it.
You know.
You do know. I don't know if I should tell you the other part of that, but if it's up to the other people to say if the other part, because I know some of them are in the chat.
Oh.
But also. Oh. Right, so what's that? You have to say it because I was reading it, but sorry, I'll carry on what I'm doing. But I think Ailey's going to do another announcement.
We're just being given another prize.
Right, so but I'm not going to announce anything else about the.
Can't keep nothing secret.
What?
What?
How did you know?
Who says? Who says?
What?
David Cody's just put what we were on about. How does he know?
What?
The women dressing
Just
as
as
men.
men and men dressing as women.
We haven't told anyone other than Dawn and Stuart.
It's absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I'm not going to say about the other team, but We have come to a good agreement, to be fair.
Ron Fisher's
I
on,
do.
which is Leah's dad.
What's that?
Ron Fisher is watching, which is Leah's dad.
Hi, Ron, you're right. But yes, I've kind of lost track of thought what we're saying.
And then, so we've got the Halloween special,
which is the 30th. We will be putting a post 30th of October. And we're also doing
a
collab special. I don't know. Well, I think it's going to be a collab special.
It will be because of the venue.
On the 9th, I believe, wasn't it?
9th of October.
9th of October. So that's why I was saying about October. If you do win a 3 supporters, 3-month supporters, it's worth ticketing for October.
Oh, thanks, Cindy. I'd look great as Beetlejuice, apparently.
Beetlejuice, yeah. But I think we might.
That might be a chance.
We might just have to try and get some sort of for September for you as well.
So yeah, we're doing a collab again with Donna Stewart and the gang.
Yeah. But I'm looking forward to it.
Charlie's.
Absolutely looking forward to it.
Yeah.
I don't want to give too much away about the Halloween one because I don't know if the other people want to say anything about it yet. So I don't want to give too much about it.
Right, guys. So.
Right, guys.
I'll let you tell it because it's that, isn't it? It's that what we said, basically.
I don't want to lean in. Oh, I'm the other side. You're right. I'm the other
Well,
side.
I'm in here, Trina. Hey, we're getting to Doggy Society time now. Come on, Trina, get in here
Right.
with me.
So, Candy Stars, who is one of our supporters,
Our sponsor,
yeah,
Let's make sure that we're in
has
there,
also given us another prize. So he has given us a code that we give to one of our lucky winners, and you will receive £20 worth of sweets from Candy.
£20 credit into it.
£20 credit to buy sweets, drinks, or cereals, or crisps, whatever you want. They're all American sweets from Candy Stars. You can either message them directly, which we will go through that later on with the winner, or you can go through us and we can pass it on and then we can collect it for you.
That's another one.
So that is another prize for you guys as well. Okay.
There you go.
Candy Stars
That is the
going
best.
up as well.
Oh, Kimbo wants that. She only wants them bloody straw things. She'll be like fully boxed up with all them straws. Thank you, Jane. Yeah. I'll go through them after who's paid. I'm not worried.
So Jane sent £10.
Yeah.
She picked 5 numbers.
Did you pick 5 or 10?
She picked 5. She said 5 numbers.
Yeah, Jane asked for 5.
Yeah.
Did you want 5 or 10, Jane? Because you said you've sent 10.
I'll put another 5 on for her. Yeah, so 3, 4. One,
At this moment,
2,
you
3,
realise
4,
you
5.
can't
Yeah.
do it.
I can't go past. I can't go any further back.
Tell you something, our sponsors are absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah, but you're gonna have 10 numbers.
Jen,
We can't let you
I'm
send
saying-
10
she
for the
said-
sake of 5.
5,
Yeah.
but I've sent 10.
We'll put another 5 on for you, Jane.
We'll put another 5 on for you. I think we might need 1 million tickets at this point.
Lucy's put. I'll
No,
share
don't.
with-
She just said
I'll
she only
share
wants
with
5.
you if I win.
So she only wants 5. Whoever wins that prize wants to share with me. I'll be friend for life. Yeah. Love you a long time. What's happening? Irene, you've just
So
joined
that's
at the wrong
definitely
time.
a fiver.
Yeah, to charity.
Yeah. So if anybody
Pays
pays
more.
pays extra.
Right, put the £5. So we're not gonna tick all that. That's gonna go straight into charity.
Yeah.
That £5.
So if anybody pays extra for tickets that they don't want, all that money will be put
Into
definitely
the charity pot.
into the charity pot. And then obviously whatever numbers are taken, half of that money as well will then go
So
to
that's
the charity.
basically Jane's just put £7.50 to the charity.
Yeah.
Yeah, essentially you put $7.50 to charity there by doing the 10. Yeah.
She wanted 5 numbers.
She said
Yeah,
I said I'll do a
5,
10.
so she's paid for 10, so they were going to give her another 5 numbers.
She
And
said
she
she don't
sent
want
a
them,
message
says,
in capital letters, I might add, don't do that. Don't do.
Right.
Right, so she's got 5 numbers, so 5 of that has to go to charity.
Yeah, 'cause it's
Plus
extra
the
five,
£2.50.
So what you want about £7.50?
No,
Plus
because
the
we're doing
£2.50.
50%. We're doing 50% of what we earn to charity.
Yeah.
So the extra £5 is going to go to charity. Cause
Yeah.
we've
So
not
she's
asked for that.
basically, in essence, giving
£7.50 to
£7.50.
charity.
We don't worry about Jake.
We don't want that. You stay out of it.
I am, because I've been baffled from the beginning of this live.
Well, I was baffled as soon as we really started.
Tony, I'd like Halloween be a surprise. They know where we're going. Yeah, the rest of the Halloween is a surprise.
Yeah.
Gobstruck.
Yeah.
But let me tell you, it's going to be one hell of a night.
Yes.
Can't wait.
It will be a good night.
We might even push it a little bit to the extreme. That's all I'm going to say.
Can I have a word?
Johnny.
Why don't we know anything about this? I'm not happy with our team. Well, I think you need to speak to Lucy.
Hang on, we didn't say where you were coming.
Who says?
I don't know anything about this. I'm not happy with our team, lol.
Well, we're going back.
We're going
to
back.
the future.
Back to the.
Back to the
Past.
Edgewater.
No streaking, please. Hey, we might get it. Yeah, well, I'm not going to say no more. Yeah.
John Cox has just put, when are we coming to Scotland?
We're
John,
not certain.
As soon as,
No.
Hey, if you win one of the prizes for locations, we're coming to you.
Right, Irene's just come on and she's put. So what's happening then?
Right,
Give us a
so
clue.
I'm
Sorry,
kind of
I've come on late.
I'm kind of lost because I don't know what
Right,
I'm doing now.
quickly run over with.
Right, I've got Tetley Hall. No, that's
Yeah.
not it. That's
So,
wrong one.
do you want a tea towel? Because you're just moaning a bit.
Hang on.
Right. So these are all the prizes, aren't they? Right. So what we're classing as the first, second, third prize. Right, get off a minute. Right. So
We don't.
right, I'll tell you where we started and what we've ended up with. So it's £1 a ticket, right? I've lost already.
Well, sent 20 quid PayPal.
Is it?
Right.
Oh, for his tickets. Have you got stars?
What's
Down,
it?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Tony.
I'm gathering it's a bit specific to that. Right, so it's £1 a ticket, but what you've got quite a few prizes. We started off with 4 and then a lucky prize. Looking
we've
up
got about
a bonus
another.
ball. I think we've got about 10 prizes
So
now.
Alison's put yay, so that means if I win, you're coming to Canada.
Oh, I don't know
Yeah.
about
Hey,
that.
Alice has already said we can go and stay with you.
Yeah. Right,
We've
so.
got passports.
Oh, Lucy's going to be in trouble. I don't know anything. I put 2 and 2 together. Right, see, Lucy's in trouble. Right, so, sorry, I'll say it again. So, it's a raffle.
We literally did spend all day. We
I'll
were
have to
working
come
Yeah.
with
down here
Dad.
'cause Jay's nicked my phone.
I
now,
looked
so
on my
can
phone,
read
you know how-
messages. No, it's fine.
You know how long I went on phone with Dawn yesterday? She told me not to say it, but I went on phone for 3 hours and 51 minutes and about 37 seconds
In
overall
total.
in 2 calls. But yeah.
Right, can we go back to Irene?
Right, sorry, Irene,
Because
yeah.
Irene's missed her.
So, it's £1 a ticket. We haven't got tickets left. We've had to knock it from 40 tickets to 50 tickets, now to 113 tickets.
It might go up yet.
It might, well, we don't know, but we'll see. Right, so, first prize is the American Sweet Bundle, which is worth about 40, 50 quid, I think it is. Second prize, this is what the prize is worth. Spoons to the Afterlife Cup with some sweets, worth about 15, 20 quid. Third prize, Spoons to the Afterlife Cup, just a cup. That's worth about, I put about a 10, I put 9, 10 quid. Fourth prize was a 1 month support us for free. We've now updated that to 3 1 month support us for free. So there's 3 of those prizes. We did have 1 bonus ball number, which we were going to put all. Trina's picked 1 number out, and that we're going to be up to 50. She's picked 1 number out, which is a random number before anyone even picked the numbers. So that's put in a box out where no one knows what number she's picked. We don't know what number she's picked. We've now have to update that up to 2 numbers, which for what you get with those 2 bonus ball numbers, if I got confused myself, you get 1 year's free supporters, 2 winning ones. If you're lucky enough to win that twice, you've got 2 years worth of supporters. Right, and then we've got, are these 2 separate numbers?
2 separate numbers.
Right,
Yeah.
two other numbers we're going to draw out, which will be, you can join us on an hunt. So
And we will come to wherever you are.
We'll find somewhere in the location of you.
we'll
Within
find
distance.
within certain
Within
distance. We're not going to
distance,
travel
yeah.
to Canada. Don't get me wrong. That'll be a bit of a travel, won't it? If we have to go to Canada, but
If,
Um,
if,
don't
if
know to be-
Alison gets it, it'll be a month's free subscription.
Yeah.
if you won the 2, one of the hunt ones, we'd sort you out.
So if I pay £5 for 5 tickets, is there any numbers left?
Yes.
Who said that?
Irene. Yeah, you've got
Irene.
numbers
Yeah,
left.
yeah,
Yeah.
we've got numbers left.
I've got number 54, 56, 59, 63, 65, 71, 73, 76, 79, 81, 85, 94, 95.
I tell you what,
Can you say
Irene.
that a bit slower?
I tell you
Never
what.
heard it, no.
Have we got Irene on? Have you got Irene on Messenger?
You have, haven't you?
Well, this is
Oh,
your
yeah.
phone, because Jay, if you unlock it, or you can do it if you want, or I'll do it.
Oh, sorry, I missed the prize as well. And then
Yeah.
we've also got another one, which is a 25,
a 20.
a £20 voucher to spend on candystars.co.uk.
So there's going to be about 8 prizes.
We've probably got about 8, 9 prizes. The other benefit with it, Irene, if you didn't hear, half of what we earn on this will go to charity. And we will do proof of it as well.
Well, I didn't want to cause any problems.
What's that?
I don't want to cause any problems.
Too
I love
late
you
now.
all.
Right, we'll
late
sack
now.
her. We'll sack her as well. Is that right? You're all right with that? We'll sack
Irene,
her as
yes, sweet.
Just bear with me 2 seconds.
We're just going to send you numbers, Irene, what we've got left.
Well, see the issues you've caused now, Ellie. You're going to get
Actually,
Lucy
we-
psyched.
It's you that caused it.
I said, should we say anything? And then you went, yeah, go on.
We didn't say about them coming.
We didn't. No, we actually didn't. So where have we got that? Where have we got that? We did not say. I said.
We said we were going back to we were going back.
I did say other people. I didn't say who. So I'm not to blame for that, Dawn. Don't kill me, please.
I love you, Dawn. Lots and lots.
If you want to be my gang, you're psyched going with no loyalty. What, they're sacking you, Dawn? Oh, they can't do that. That's not very nice, is it?
No, I won't
Yeah,
let them
thank
sack
you, David. I agree with you.
It's not my fault.
David's fault. It was David's fault. It was Ailey's fault.
Don't blame me.
I'm just staying out of this.
You know, if I said to him pick a number between 1 and 20, he'd pick 27, Jay. Honestly.
I will.
He'd be confused. He'd be like, what, 27? I'm like, no. Said 1 and 20.
It's baffled me from the beginning of this bit.
No, say you can't even say. I'm not even saying the thing. Well, do you want me to provide proof?
Right, Irene, I've just sent you a message on Messenger. It's come from Ailey's phone. Because Jay's watching messages on my phone. So they're the numbers that are left. So it's £1 a number. So just let us know how many you want and which numbers,
We
honey.
received £5 from Jane. Oh, that Jane's.
Roisin.
And then Ailey will mark them down for you, hon.
Yeah, she sent £5 twice, Jane. Yeah, that's Medley, Jane Medley, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
£3 from Jamie. Oh yes, Jamie's paid for. I'm gathering Jamie one is for.
I've done Jamie's.
I love she says she's
No,
boss.
She
no,
is.
it's Jamie Foster. I'm gathering that's for Kimbo. Kimbo had 3. Yeah, Kimbo had 3, so that's Jamie's
Yeah.
one. Yeah.
Cindy, you're all sacked.
I said nothing. I'm sorry.
Lucy says, you ask Tony, I'm the boss.
Oh, look at Sophie.
No, don't sack them.
No.
We love you, Sophie.
But you just threw us on the bus there because I thought you. I said to earlier, I says, oh, someone's being told something.
Trina, 071116.
Yeah.
So everyone wants to know Eileen's password. It's 071116.
Just so you know as well, that's Tony's.
It's not. I've changed
Yeah, it
it.
is.
Changing it. I don't know what that is. But yes.
Wow.
Yeah, hun, you do.
Yeah.
There you go.
God, honestly.
Ooh.
So how
So Irene's
you gonna
paying you
message-
through PayPal.
Oh, you're putting a thing up with everybody's numbers on.
We're going to
Yeah.
put a post on with all the numbers. So
I'm going to do it in a
Names.
spreadsheet.
And then the numbers
Yeah.
inside, so they know what
Numbers at
numbers
the
they're
side.
on.
Yeah.
And we'll put the prizes, what's on it. First, second, third, fourth, whatever. Yeah. Oh, God. Yeah. I don't think she's as daft as what she makes out, that Lucy.
I love them all.
No, I love them. Love them all. Jay you saw last week.
John and Stuart.
It's true, he is, honestly.
I'm not kidding, guys. Look.
Look.
I can't-
Jay's there. If you look at him, he looks so bewildered, he just ain't got a clue what's going on.
Clue. I'm just letting you know, so yeah, because I'm just.
Jay sat here, and while we've been talking and discussing everything, he's just like,
I'm just happy
what's what?
with my Dr. Pepper and my wine glass. I'm missing strong.
Jane, oh no, spreadsheets. That's what I'm lost. That's it. I'm lost.
It's
I
fine.
love a good spreadsheet.
We'll make it look all right.
It'll be colour coordinated and everything.
Take it steady with that.
I don't know about spreadsheet. What do they do?
All right, Jay. The spirits in Essex can't hear you tonight. I think Sophie trying to say you've got a big dog.
KFC. Yeah, sure, Charlie. You can't tell everyone we had KFC.
We didn't have KFC.
No, they were awkward.
We were stuck at studying bloody
We love you too.
chip shop queue for about 25 minutes, and then they got Jay's food wrong. Dawn's put she loves you, Jay.
I love you too, Dawn, sweetie pie.
She sent you a load of
in,
blue.
yeah. Everywhere I look around.
You can have him, but I'll tell you what, don't fetch him back. Once you take the goods, there's no returns. Oh, sorry, I didn't realise your phone were on charge.
That's right, Lucy. I just let them go and wait. I just...
He was asking me something earlier on way down, and I says, "You know what? I give up with you, Jay."
Oh,
I says,
"I like your new phone proposition."
"Yeah, it's already on. Yeah, I know. I give up."
So have you wrote Irene's numbers down?
Yeah, she's done it. Yeah. We'll stop talking. We'll stop talking about the thing now. There's not many numbers left, I don't think. Can you? How many's left?
Hang on, I'll soon tell you.
You don't have to say all the numbers. Just say how many numbers in total is left.
I love your head massages.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
So 15 numbers.
We've sold 98 numbers. So that's 49
Whoa,
quid
what
so
happened
far.
there?
I don't know.
Well, what happened there?
You want to be careful because it's getting warm underneath on this.
It'll be fine now. If her computer blows up, it says. That's why I always put some undermine on my back.
Right, well, where's my laptop bag? Because I've got something in my laptop bag. I think I'll put it in there.
Jay's dead to me now. Charles. Jay's dead to me now. She's put.
Why?
I did.
Because you're causing grief.
I still love you as well, Charlie.
I don't know what she's doing. I don't know why she's got vibrator in back here. I don't know. No, you're not having the rest, Jane. You've already bought enough.
There you go.
She has to have it because of you. To help you get along.
Smith,
What?
me and you on
Vibrator.
same wavelength.
Me and you, Sunday.
Cindy.
Sunday, Cindy. It's great. A predictive text is brilliant, isn't it? I always do it. I send messages to someone, I'm like, what the bloody hell's that mean?
Christian's watching.
Well, Dawn says she don't mind sharing with Charlie.
Charlie says he's got a new woman. Dawn's put she don't mind sharing Charlie.
Hey,
I'm not
don't
being
fight
funny.
over him. It's not that important.
I'm not being funny. I'm feeling a bit left out here. Who's my woman?
I'll always.
You've got bloody everyone wants Jay.
Aye!
Come on. Right, next offer is a date with me.
Everyone's asking, can we have his
Can we have his money back?
Oh, we'll drop
People
down
like-
from 16 viewers to 1. Well, that's Jeff.
What kind of convoy said is this? I dread to think, honestly, Sophie. It goes. It's Jay. I blame him.
Sticky seconds.
It's a good job it's after 9 o'clock.
It's a good job Willen's asleep.
Yeah.
Just
Should be
don't have the
repeating.
opportunity seconds. Oh my days. Oh, I'll pay 50. Oh, come on, Dawn. 50 quid. Right, get it transferred now. I'll take you out anyway. Somewhere nice.
Come on then, give him a sneak preview of what they'll get.
I'm not. Don't worry about Dawn and that lot's already seen it.
Well, no.
You can keep him. Oh, you're on about Jay.
Just not have
obviously,
opportunity seconds, she meant sloppy seconds.
Oh, wait.
Hey, Sinead!
yeah. 50p. Right, we've got 50p.
Hang on,
Is it right? Is it
Dawn's
not?
the highest bidder so far at 50
No,
quid.
you've got to go £50, 50p. Going up in 50p's this. Just 10 for the. Just 10
David
for the other
Cody,
lot.
please don't.
55p.
Jane, all of her
How many numbers were left?
15.
15.
Jane's saying, just do that then, because she already had a 5. You already
Jane,
put
do you
another
want
5.
another 10?
But she paid 10 quid before, didn't she, for 5? So just give her the other 15. Because she's already paid 5 or more for others.
So, Jane,
Yeah, she's paid.
if you pay another 10, are you wanting the last 15?
She's paid £10.
That's what she's saying. Just £10 for another lot.
So,
in other words, she's saying if she pays £10, can she have the other 15?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she already had the 5 and spare from.
Yeah, just do that, and then they're all gone. Then, aren't they? That's it. I don't think we've messed.
She just paid another 10, is that what she's saying?
No, what she's saying is she pays another 10 because she paid 10 on the others.
No,
for
she's
5.
paid 10. So
no, she just wants 10.
Oh, you just want 10, right? Oh. What, another 10 or? Oh God. Oh my.
Just check.
Now you know why I'm not getting involved. Got headache yet? Survivor funeral.
I'm bloody confused, mate.
Yeah, she just sent another 10. So,
Right, yeah. So
she sent 20.
So Irene's paid. Has Irene had 6?
Yeah.
Jane,
yeah.
Yeah, right,
said
yeah.
No.
Oh. Right.
Jane,
right.
Jane,
So
just to explain.
Right, Jane.
Jane, we're just not understanding, my love.
So you paid 10.
You paid for 5, and then you sent another 5, didn't you?
Which you said was for charity.
So we're just going to chuck that to charity, that extra 5, yeah? Plus 250 of the other part. So are you wanting another 10?
Don't put, just sit back, Jay, and look pretty far for it.
I'm struggling with it, so I don't know how Jay's feeling. Jay's like, what?
I'm just glad I think you're involved.
Right, so Jane got 5 numbers. Does she want another 5
right,
numbers?
hang on a second. Jane, let me see if I understand this right. So,
Jane, do you want 10 or
20?
Yeah.
Right, you sent £10 over, which was for 5 numbers and £5 for charity.
That's what you said you were going to do. I just want 10.
Right, so does that mean...
Another 10, you mean? So you
right,
sent £10 for another 10.
So you want 10 numbers...
Extra to what she already had.
So that would give you 15 numbers.
I'm so dizzy, my head is spinning.
Because you sent us 20 quid, but 5... So I'm
gathering, 10 numbers.
So you want
10
another 10 numbers. Yeah, so essentially you've got 15 numbers. I don't want to do 15 on 2 hands.
No, I don't
either. Barnsley.
So she wants 10...
15 on 1 hand.
I'll tell you what. I'm only on milk, drinking milk here.
I need fucking...
I so feel like
I was going to say Viagra then. I need Viagra. I don't know where that come from. I've had my tablet.
Now listen, hang on a second. Don't getting too freaking excited just because there's 2 women on either side of you.
Shut up, Lucy. You don't understand what Jane means. You're as confused as we are. So Jane's got 15 numbers, basically.
Yeah.
So essentially 750. You would essentially give us 1250 for charity there.
my head's hurting and all, Sophie.
Is that right? No. Yeah, 50. Yeah, 15.
Yes.
20, yeah, 1250. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, Jamie, that's right.
So now we're up
Exactly.
into 200 numbers.
So we've got 5 numbers left. Is that right?
So we've got 5 numbers left.
You need a drink. Have you got that vodka and coke in here somewhere? I'll just have to have a boost to get my energy back up.
It's not that, David. It's when, obviously, such as Jane donates some money, but then decides to have some more numbers, and it was just confusing us. It was just confusing us a little bit as to which way Jane was thinking of it.
I know what I'm going to say, and I'm 100% behind this. I think Jay's confusing me. That's what it is.
Right. So,
it's giving off that aura, and it's coming.
I know, David. Don't worry. You'll get.
Sinead, Cumley,
6, 7, 8, 9.
Sinead.
10,
Oh, have you got
11,
Sinead's then?
12, 13.
Oh, I knew we'd forget someone.
14.
Bye bye.
Right, how many did you ask for, Sinead? Because we might have to knock this number up by 5 if you ask for 10. I don't know how many you asked for.
Right, so 1, 2, 3,
There should be 5
4,
left.
5. Yeah, I've got 5 numbers left. I've got 63, 73.
You can explain how you pay to Sinead.
Yes, we just-
it's on PayPal, so the PayPal link's on there. If you can do it by friends and family.
Just let us know how many you wanted, Sinead, please.
Well, there is only 5 numbers left.
There is
We'll
only
get-
5,
oh.
but if you did want to,
I
obviously.
haven't done.
So it's just by PayPal. Thank you, David. So if you want 10, I can add another 5 on.
We could add another 5 numbers on for you if you did want. I don't know how many you said at the beginning. I knew because it was going quite quick. I'm sorry, Sinead. Foo, bloody hell. Yeah.
I think I need to lay down.
Excuse me, Tony.
Oh,
Don't
sorry.
blame Jay.
Oh,
Thank you, Dawn and Stuart.
that way what you're
I'm
telling me
sat here
yesterday.
quietly, minding my own business.
It is enough to confuse me, though. You were trying to confuse me, aren't we, when I was trying to explain what we were
Need to
doing?
know how many Sinead wants.
How many numbers, Sinead?
Jerry. Yeah, it will be on bloody Jerry.
Jerry.
We also got Jerry with his dresses on. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? Today we have on stage Jason. No, what was your name?
Hey up.
What were your name as woman?
Tell me, I know, Jane. Tell me about it.
Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Jason is now Jasmine. There you go.
You're looking pretty, Jason.
Whoa.
Take last 5. That's fine,
Thank
Sinead.
you very much.
Right, so that's us all. That's them all gone. I think now, isn't it?
Yep.
Right, so we're not going to talk about that no more now. I'm not a drinker, but I'd love to take the bottle after that.
Yeah.
Sinead's taking
Richard
the last
Stars,
5.
remember to give the number we got to people who have bought some just to make it.
It's
more
a £1
confusing
ticket,
for you.
darling.
Remember to give the number we got to people who have bought some just to make it more confusing for you.
Remember to give the number we got
Rose in Sadler
to people who have bought some. Just...
So
Hi to
basically,
Rose in
Stazzy, are you saying that the numbers
Daughter,
you bought to
Sinead.
give them to random people that have bought
Oh,
tickets?
for God's sake, Stars.
Oh my days.
So you put. What?
Right.
So you
start-
bought 20 tickets. He's just doing it to wind us up.
He is. He's just put it to make it more confusing. There'll be 20 numbers. We don't want them. Right. So the 20 numbers.
Donated to it.
Oh, right. So you've donated 20 quid to it, but.
He doesn't want the numbers.
Right. So who's having the numbers then?
We'll randomly
Just-
assign them.
How are we going to randomly assign these numbers?
We'll get Starzy to pick. I'm getting Starzy. Starzy can pick.
Yeah, but that means that we've got. That means that we've got 20 numbers still going.
If you want,
So, just out of curiosity,
He's
if
paid for
anybody
20 numbers,
watches
but he
this on
doesn't want
replay,
them.
yeah, he's just said donate those numbers to anybody else that have already paid. So that's what he was saying.
Right.
So
Do a name generator.
Number generator.
yeah,
What,
remember
to
to
get an
give
extra-
the
what, to
number
get
we
an-
got to people who have bought some just to make it more. So anyone that's bought them,
You'll be getting an extra number.
So we'll go through the list. I don't know how many people's bought, but we'll give you an extra number.
1, 2, 3,
Anybody who
4,
watches
5,
this
6,
on replay might want to translate
11.
with them.
Oh, Sinead.
Sinead.
12.
So we've got 12. So what we'll do,
I'm
we'll
sorry again.
Oh, God, I'm fucking confused.
We'll sort it later. I'm not even gonna.
Yeah.
I'm sorry again. I was on
Yeah.
instead.
Absolutely, Jamie. That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, Irene, I hope he's alright.
Dorisha, hey, sexy Richard.
Pick me.
We will do a name generator and we will let you know.
So what else we're going to be doing?
What? So that name generator is going to get the extra 20 tickets?
No, we'll do a
name
number.
generator. We'll do a name generator, and then we'll just go from the top of the list of the numbers he's got down. So the first number he's got,
Oh yeah, pick
name
the numbers.
generator.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
work
yeah, yeah.
person will get that number.
So it could be, but one of you might get two numbers. One of you might get two numbers. One and another one
Yeah.
might only get one number out of it because
Yeah.
there's not enough numbers. Yeah, I get what you mean. Because I think
No,
there's
we-
11, 12 people. He said, didn't you?
No, Jane, we didn't think this was going to happen.
You know, before you did all this, can you remember me saying outside Caravan? You do know what
Yeah,
you're going to
Charlie.
say.
I bet you
Don't
didn't think this was going to be so confusing. No.
No, No.
Right,
no.
can we start talking about the raffle now?
20 names all Sophie Long.
Right, all right, because I'm going to be nice now. Oh, does anyone want to come on and talk to us?
We can now officially say that £62.50.
£62.50? You can't fucking count. £56.50, she means.
£56.50.
Is that
As a
including-
minimum, no, it's not. £56.50 because you got the extra fiver from.
£61.50.
Oh no, £56.50. So it's £61.50. Yeah, it is £61.50 because Jamie did the extra five.
And we'll round it up to 70 quid.
Do you know I've been in bed by now? But
So
it should be £61.50, but we're going to round that up to 70
35 quid to two
different
charities.
charities.
Yeah.
Right. So 70 quid. So you've heard that on live. We're going to do 70 quid. But it should be £61.50, but we'll round it up to 70 quid. So it's 35 quid to two charities.
Just put times 2 under that. And then
No,
you-
so it's
Two charities, yeah.
so a £70 charity. We know
Yeah,
we're
yeah,
going to do
yeah.
it to
Yeah.
two.
I'm fucking confused, mate. I'm telling you. All you all need to know is that 70 quid of that money, what we're doing there, is going to go to charity.
Right. Oh, I'm getting up and leaving you now.
if anybody's got an headache, we do apologise.
Because to be fair, if we're being honest with you, we were expecting to do 40 numbers. So
Yeah.
that extra bit of money there is just going to go to charity. We can't say any better than that, can we? But right.
We'll do the poll later.
We'll sort of Paul out. I don't know who Paul is, but I hope he's not getting involved in it at all. Oh, you mean Paul is in the poll? I thought, God, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
somebody else has just put, can I have another 20 tickets?
What?
I've got 20 fingers that need.
Oh my days.
Yeah.
I don't. I'm in bed. No, not telling you to come.
Thank
You
you,
can come in.
John.
Hey, we're in bed. Look, we've got a bed here. Look, we've got there's pillows here.
Captain Pillar.
So I'm gathering none of you want a date with me then for an extra 20 quid.
What Stars have put, we'll round it up to £100 for charity.
Oh.
Fucking hell.
That's kind of your stars.
That's brilliant.
So that's 50 quid to each charity.
Yeah.
Thank
Cut
you
that.
so much.
That just tells you what type of guys these are, doesn't it?
Please, give a visit.
Yeah.
candystars.co.uk.
If anybody needs any links for Facebook, TikTok, or their YouTube, or wants a phone number for them, then please just let us know in chat, and we will send all the
He
details
wants
over
the
to
date
you.
with Tony.
What
In
Starsy
fact-
does.
In fact,
Oh.
if anyone that lives close to us wants anything picking up over the weekend, we'll pick it up and we'll get it dropped off to you.
Yeah.
What happens if they live at bleeding Newcastle?
Not close. That's why I said close to
close to
us. Bloody muppet.
So
Right.
Rotherham, Sheffield, Doncaster,
I'll tell you what,
Chesterfield,
Yeah.
Cheers having a date with you as well now.
Chesterfield.
I'll add an extra
Chesterfield.
quid.
Chesterfield.
Chesterfield.
Although we're going hers because hers are sorted.
Hers is sorted.
Hers are sorted.
Kimberly, we've got yours sorted.
Yeah, we're always just. What are you in about, Kimberly?
We've
We'll
got
have a
Kimberly's
look.
sweet sorted.
Yeah, don't worry about it a minute. We'll have a look through anyhow. We'll have a look through payments. and
Sharon,
stuff,
we
but-
are going to come to Devon at some point.
Funny thing is, I transferred all the PayPal money to my bank account earlier, so I know everything what's in PayPal at the minute is from this. Because I think everyone's done by PayPal. I think there's only Dawn what's sent
Yeah.
by bank.
Thanks.
But everyone else, whatever we've got in that PayPal. But we will.
You can transfer that from your bank to your PayPal anyway, can't you?
Well, we've got enough money in PayPal to pay it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yeah. There you go, Foster's Oreo straws. Kimberly Foster Oreo straws. Yeah, we've sorted it.
Can you
Just got to
leave
pick them
that
up.
so I can lay down, because my head's banging after all this.
Your head's banging.
Jay wants to go to sleep.
What time is it?
Right, we'll put a link out if anyone
There,
wants to come
wait.
on for a chat. You
All
can
those
come on.
numbers went within an hour.
How the bloody hell do you copy on this chuffing thing?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to copy that.
Well, I hope you've
You
got
don't.
everything written down what you need to do.
Yeah, we
No.
are. Haley's on ball.
What?
Happy to clipboard. But if anyone wants to come on, you're more than welcome. I don't know if you do want to come on, like.
Hello,
Hello there.
and welcome to Story Time.
Once upon a time, There was 2 bald men and a woman in the bed.
There you are, guys. If anyone wants to come on, the link is up there for you.
That sounds wrong.
Oh, Jane, we'll definitely come up there.
Where's Furness Abbey?
Where is Furness Abbey? Anyone know where Furness Abbey is?
Downton. Downtown.
Is it near Downton? Downton Abbey.
Oh, this freaking thing. What are you doing?
Just put Bobby to down.
I thought you were
Oh,
stripping out.
158 mile away.
Is that it? Is that how far it is?
4-hour drive. Yep, that's fine. We're on his way.
I'll do that in 20 minutes.
Barrow in Furness.
Yeah. I'll
So
get
we
it.
could do Barrow in Furness on the way to... We've been asked to go to Glasgow and Scotland.
Yeah.
Is it up near Scotland?
Barrow in Furness, it's on the outskirts. It's...
Up north?
Yeah.
There you
Very
go.
Tweed.
Yeah.
Very Tweed.
Hey, where's my Washington?
I know.
I don't know.
So we've got one.
I think we all need
I
a...
don't know. Your back is here, but I don't know where your back tin is.
But no, thank you
you
so
left it
much
on
to
No.
everybody. It means the absolute world. I will get all
Oh,
these
your
sorted.
bleeding email keeps popping up. I'm going to knock her email out if it carries on. Right. Get Rich to join. You can join if you want. You can have a chin wag.
Yeah, people can put a face
Katrine,
to the name.
Oh, bless.
Oh, bless. Irene's put, Dad's okay.
Oh.
He's a bit lonely.
Oh,
Sophie,
bless him.
Dawn, come on live.
Oh, don't it? Bloody hell, she comes on. I'll be here at 6 o'clock in bleeding morning.
I was sending you over there, would you?
Freaking
You'll be
wait.
8. I could put Jay
Well,
on.
actually, yeah, them two can up bed and me and you will
Yeah.
sit down.
No, I'll
yeah.
sit at the table and I'll turn it round when Jay wakes up half asleep, rolling his 15 fags.
Are you kidding? It'll scare him off to death. I've got to roll him some before he goes to sleep.
No, I appreciate. Thank you,
thank you, Cindy.
Thank you. Yeah, we weren't expecting this. Like I said, we were expecting to get 40 quid. That's all we were expecting. But obviously, all the other money. Well, it's new enough. All the other money, bar 3 quid, is going to go to charity. So anything what's gone above the 40 quid is essentially going to charity in it. So. Night, Cindy.
Night, Cindy.
Nice, Cindy.
No.
Gotta love our Cindy as well.
You know what? I don't say it enough, but people we have on here are absolutely amazing.
They're
aren't they?
beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, come on, Lucy, get on.
So, guys, are you happy for it to go to the Bald Man's charity?
No.
No.
Hair loss treatment.
What? Hair loss treatment, about Bald charity. You know, I might go and, you know, might get one of them stick-on things. You know, what do you call them?
Everyone's calling for Dawn. Dawn,
Get
Lucy.
Lucy on. Look, anyone could come on. I'm not bothered. I'm not stripping off for you, though. No, nah, look homeless. Yeah, but what's different?
We are almost.
David Cody charity, David LOL.
Get David on.
No, the ugly nanas.
Yes, go to the Bald Man charity. Mark will get a bit pissed myself. 3 bald men all together now.
Oh God, yeah, tomorrow. Stars is bold.
Stars is bald, yeah. It's like
He's shiny bald.
he's shiny bald,
We
yeah.
do
I
need
need to
sort
shave mine
Stars'
off.
hoodie out, actually.
Ailey's going to shave all mine off. You cheeky bitch.
Yeah.
You wait now. What? What? Because I said you didn't. I would never say you look homeless.
Is our Lucy still on?
I don't
She has
know.
been.
She were
She
around.
were,
But
but
she's
I
still
don't-
on.
What's your FaceTime?
Yeah, after live's finished. That's if she
Sat in my van.
She told me she's going to bed. 'Cause she
Yeah,
usually
I'm going to get my PJs, Jamie, so we're sat in it van.
We're sat in it van. That
Sat
makes
in
no
van.
sense. Yeah.
Hey, I tell you something,
Lucy
there's no
says she's
better than
here.
there's no better than a caravan holiday.
Yeah, it's not better. I like it when storm happens, though. I think
Oh,
I'm
God,
it's,
yeah.
Jay
caravan with storm. It's lovely.
We were in caravan once, as other one, and it was that windy. The back of the caravan was lifting up and then slamming down to the floor while we were in bed.
Yeah, Starsy,
That
get
were an easy
Starsy.
night for you.
Come
No,
on, camera
I'm scared.
Starsy. He's a bit camera shy, Starsy, though, isn't he?
Yeah.
They don't like. He's been on one of his lives before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was.
No, I mean he came on one of his chat
Yeah.
shows before. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Halloween special
When
last
we were
year.
at his shop last time, in fact, if you go, did you do it on normal live?
I don't know if it's
Yeah.
normal or supporters, but Yeah, when we did a video in his shop, Stars is the big
And
guy
he went
there.
running outside.
I just nearly flicked.
No smoking, bad.
Shut up, you.
My freaking caravan. Can't
Don't you-
outside and have fun now.
Piss off.
We can all smoke inside. You can stand out there.
Piss off.
I'm camera shy. Dawn.
Bollocks.
Swearing. I won't stand for
Charlie
that,
says
Dawn.
we'll
Sit
have
down.
Dawn, you are beautiful. I've told you that.
Charlie says we'll go live tomorrow night with the
Yes.
viewers.
Yeah, we'll come on live tomorrow when there is. Yeah.
We'll do a live tomorrow night when they come up to join us.
We'll do a full live.
I don't think Stars has been to this van yet, has he?
I don't think he'll miss where we are. He's only got to come in entrance in a seat car. I don't think he'll miss us.
No, I don't know. We haven't been to the caravan.
Is Ghostbusters car down at bottom?
Yes, I believe.
Yeah, we've even got Ghostbusters car down at bottom where we are. Might go and see if we can get some pictures of it tomorrow. Jay was trying to tell everyone he bought it.
Yeah, well,
What?
I'm still thinking about buying an old Hearst.
Have you heard this? Jay's on about buying an old Hearse. Not an Hearse. Hearse.
But pimping it up.
Yeah.
Look at Kimberly when she was 17.
Yeah. God.
With Brody.
Yeah, I feel the same. We should. Poor Casey. The rare thanks that we're smoking.
What, go outside?
Midlife crisis. I'm off to visit my daughter. Have a great rest of the day.
I've seen that car, Sophie, I think. I've seen a van covered with grass all over it.
What's a hearse? It's what they use for funeral car. Funeral car. I don't know why. Mark
You
wants.
don't know why they use them as a funeral car or why Jay wants one.
No, I mean why, as in why.
Why I want one?
Yeah, I don't know why he wants an hearse. I think it's.
And
Because it's weird.
No, I want a hearse and make a really good Ghostbusters car replica.
Yeah.
Because they're exactly the same shape, like the American ambulance things, what they used.
Yeah.
Plus, everybody knocks hearse, right? I'm not being funny. A hearse has never been thrashed.
Yeah.
Always got service history. Always kept nice.
Yeah,
Tony
they don't.
Tony getting the damn things.
Yeah.
Him with his mucky asses and his mucky feet, and you with your fag ash. And then Tony adds his fag ash to it and all.
Don't believe you asked that. What's an hearse? Yeah. At least we can put his popping freezer in back, couldn't we? In fridge it back. I'm not being funny. Can you imagine us driving down the street in an hearse?
Jay would.
I would.
Jay would. He's not bothered.
I'll tell you what, you'd get respect off at all the car drivers.
Hey, we might. Yeah, but they think we're already driving
There
slow.
won't be no road rage.
At least Richard will fit in.
I thought you were a hearse.
Hearse, that's what I said. Hearse.
People
Hearse.
say hearse.
You said hearse.
Is it a hearse or a hearse?
It's a hearse.
Hearse.
H-E-A-R-S-E, I think.
Sorry,
it is.
people. Tony can't pronounce his H's.
He said hearse. I didn't say hearse. Hearse.
Hearse.
Hearse.
Yeah.
I said
Hearse. I said
hearse.
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 It's an hearse.
Hearse.
Sorry,
hearse.
she's from bloody foreign Oldham, eh?
It's hearse or hearse. Whichever comes
It's
first.
an hearse.
Poet and I didn't know it.
I thought it was an hearse. No, it's got a T. No, it's got a T on end. It's what Jay said. LOL.
Hearse.
It's not an hearse.
Hearse.
Exactly what I've just said. It's an hearse. Like an horse. Horse.
Right.
Not a horse.
I'm going to move you over there in a minute.
Why?
Because I want to get rid out here.
Well, that says hearsay.
I'm already done.
I know you are. I'm going to get underneath.
Right, who's got a Siri? Has anybody got a Siri on them?
Yeah, I've got Siri.
Why?
I'll ask Google. That'll tell me.
See you later, Charlie.
See you later.
Okay, Google.
See you
How
tomorrow.
do you spell
Siri.
Earth? Earth. No, not bloody Earth. Earth. Earth.
Okay, Google.
What is the
1 minute.
correct name for a funeral car?
Okay, Google. What is the correct name for a funeral?
How can I be of service?
Press that.
Yeah.
What is the correct name for a funeral car?
Here's a summary from Dignity Less Than Be Greater Than Funeral.
Hearse.
Than,
Like I
Be
said,
Greater
thank you
Than
very much.
Directors. A hearse is the name that's given to the
No,
large
it can't.
vehicle which carries a coffin or casket from the family or funeral
Can't
home
even
to
see it
the
on
funeral
screen, can you?
service.
It's too dark, too light.
I didn't spell it.
Earth. Like I
See
said.
you tomorrow, Charlie.
See you later, Charlie. Thank you. You set off my Google. Google goes off whenever it wants.
Hey, Google. Tell Irene we love her.
Well, you won't do it because I ain't got
No,
it
because
set.
I'm setting off Irene's.
Oh, yeah. It's your accent. I can
So
imagine.
who's looking forward to October then? If nobody's coming on.
Yeah, I'm surprised no one wants to come on. You've been so fantastic tonight, and then you don't even want to come on and
We've all
talk to
gone
us.
camera shy.
Yeah. I'm going to wet myself. I know. I can't believe it.
Right, over there. Let me get ready.
There you go.
Just take that.
I don't need to move. I can come in.
I
like
need-
this.
I agree, Lucy. It's still an Earth.
If I go there, they're going to see you.
No, not because you're going to move it round to you and Jay.
How the bleeding hell am I going to do that? Alright, here we go. So I've got a back camera on here. You can't see her getting
Did
undressed.
you want, Ayla, do you want to walk this end?
No, fine. I'm going underneath my quilt. I'm going to do the Superman.
Oh, look at that. You've got
Put
James
lights
back
on
there.
above your head.
Back again. Way in his bag.
Put lights above your head.
We're fine at the minute. We can see.
Stick 4 tenors on Jackie.
4 tenors. Tenor ladies.
That's well, isn't it?
Not 4.
Oh, my days.
Oh.
How she spelt it?
On Jackie. Where's Jackie in? I've not seen Jackie, have I?
Hi, Sophie.
Oh, Jackie's not been in.
Has Jackie been in? Oh.
We might have to up the numbers, guys.
She's lovely, our Sophie.
She is.
Ah,
But
Sophie.
just be warned, guys, we may be upping the numbers once Jackie
Yeah.
watches.
Yeah, we might have to.
'Cause Jackie might want some.
Jackie might want some. I'm not saying she does, but if she does, we might have to put a few more numbers on for her.
Only be a maximum, probably 10 or whatever. In fact, you could have 10
You will be there.
Jay, it's fine. Because.
You just
Oh
realised.
God. Isn't it alright? It's hard to strip down to my boxes. Me, it don't bother me.
Right, so why don't you just do what I do? Literally put it over your head and then take your t-shirt off underneath it.
No, I can't do that.
By accident, I called Jane Jack.
Right, that's it.
She calls me
Tell
Lily.
your husband, Sophie, he's a lucky man.
I'll see you all.
Into
Totally.
his head.
Right, I think we've got a ghost under covers.
One that moves. Oh, oh.
No, I was thinking Jackie's not big. I'm thinking I don't even see Jackie's coming. Oh, Ailey's doing a striptease for us. Night, Ailey. She's not even in bed.
I
She's
think
only
I need another glass of Dr. Pepper. Pass the Dr. Pepper, Tom.
You know me.
He can't, Jim.
Yeah, no wonder Ginger's no hair.
He's got a computer in his hand.
The fuck? I didn't think. You're so bloody idle. I've got computer rested on my hand. What's Ailey? Oh, we've got a ghost.
Get up and do it. You can get past him.
Oh, what? Oh, you mean your husband? I thought you meant Jay. Or do you mean it's because I've said he's a miserable git?
No, she's seen her husband's a miserable.
Oh, right. Oh, bloody hell, I'm confused
Is he
myself.
called Jason by any chance? Because my Jason's
Wow! This is straight under here, Haley.
Oh, God. I'll tell you one thing, this bloody laptop's bed up. supposed to be only be like an hour live, but it never happens, that does it?
Not used to you in nighties. I'm used to you in jammers.
I know.
Don't you be sticking your arse out at night? It's usually me what does that.
This is how we roll.
On a Saturday night.
Monday night. It's strange being here midweek.
Yeah, it's a month. I keep thinking it's bloody weekend.
No, it's a
Oh, it's called
Monday.
Kevin. That was my dad's name, Kevin. Kevin!
Kevin!
Kevin and Perry.
Yeah, my brother's oldest brother. He's
Your
50,
t-shirt's
50,
behind
in,
you.
50 in a couple of years, my oldest brother.
Put the bra underneath the pillow, it might make my boobs grow.
Oh, for God's sake. She's hoping Boob Fairy comes.
Miracle Grow.
Miracle Grow.
No, I need that.
I need that on me hair. Miracle Grow.
What are the bruise there? Have you seen this?
No, but if you're showing, I'll have a look.
Tree.
Ah,
Yeah, she's got a rape bruise on her leg.
I don't know how I got it.
I didn't even
Got
hit
it
it that
the other
hard.
night.
it's him. Kicking day at night.
No,
It's not.
that
Have
was from.
You know
That
what?
was from.
I might well thirsting before.
And that.
You know, if people keep saying I beat her up at night, obviously you've watched back some of my live chats, what I do, because I always talk about earlier when she kicks me in knackers, punched me in the face once, and I'm surprised I didn't lever her all that place.
I'll punch you in the face again.
She then rolled over and fell asleep on my
Didn't
head.
you say you took a picture last time we were here?
I'm
Jay?
horrible. I'm not. She's horrible to me.
When
No,
we were
Tony
in
did.
bed. Tony did. Have you
What?
still got it on your phone?
What?
That
No, you-
picture. That picture you took.
What
Did
pic-
you? When me and Jay were asleep, didn't you come and take a picture of how much you were sprawled out?
No, you sent it her.
Oh, I sent it you. Oh,
What?
I didn't know if you all got
I don't
up
take
to
pictures of random people in bed. You make
Random
them sound like a
people.
rapist.
Can I just ask why you brought all the phones with
I always do. It's an habit. I've got all my phones with me. I don't know why I brought them all. Donna Stewart and that lot know
Don't
how
show
many
it, yeah.
phones I have. That's not off. You've not even got it on camera, you numpty.
There you go.
I counted the other night
Complete drug dealer.
when
Right.
I was showing
That's
them all the other
150.
night. I had seven
That's about
phones.
150.
7 phones with me, I think I had with me.
That's about 500. And that's about 150.
There's about 2 grams worth of phones there. And that's not including the one what I actually physically use all the time.
All the other 5 that he's got at home.
No. Well, I've got 7 in total. 2 of them are worth about 2 grand, aren't they? 2 of them are worth
I've got
about
my
2 grand.
iPhone 12.
Why you have so many phones? Well, I can't tell you that.
I'll tell you, he's a pimp.
I'm a pimp. I've got 1 for each woman. No I'm joking. 1 is for his private messages from me. Yeah,
Who's that?
Dawn. Yeah, Dawn. It's not just you what like texts me early hours of the morning. It's Lucy and all.
All I can say is good job I'm living trust you, innit?
Yeah, it is a good job. She trusts me. I could talk for England. I'll admit I can, but I think we're a perfect match, aren't we? Me, you and Lucy. Me, Dawn and Lucy. We just talk all the time, don't we? I mean, as in talking wise, we've both got bloody. You know, I'm going to punch you, Elliot face in a minute. You know, she just wants to go to sleep while I'm wanting to
digging,
talk.
Tony.
Yeah.
Don't keep digging. Don't keep digging. The one
Well,
you
wind
use.
it up, it's great.
She don't wind me up. I'll just ignore her. You'll get a name for yourself carrying that many phones at once, Tony.
He already has.
It's because I work in a phone shop. That's all it is. That's all it's down to.
Yeah, I feel the same.
Drug
No.
dealer. No, I'm not a drug dealer.
I think we'll all be going to bed and leaving Tony to talk.
We love you too much, Tony. Talk on the phone, but not text. No, you don't like texting, don't you?
To
Chat
be
for
fair, I don't blame her.
talk for England,
I
but
prefer doing it up the phone. You've
Jay
seen
does.
when people text
can
me.
you
I'll
still
just
get me
strap
on
phone.
here? If you want to come on, yeah.
Who's that? Who's that?
What, do you want to come on, Irene? Oh, why? How do you bloody copy and paste on this chuffing thing?
You've got 5 phones to work it out.
Oh, what? I don't pin phone now.
Hey guys, hope you're alright.
No, she means texting. But no, I mean texting.
Oh, right. What, Irene's got that?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
So it don't matter.
I love you too, Donna. When I thought you said that when Tony repeated it, he didn't say the word Haley.
What?
We love you too much, Hayley.
I was trying to say that, but then another message come through.
Oh, yeah.
It did. Another message come through after.
I've only got my t-shirt on.
I mean, it's all right. I've only got my 90 on.
I've only got a sock on.
On his willy.
There'll be a sock on his bloody head in a minute
Sorry,
when I knock him out.
socks though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not Bobby's socks.
Oh. It's one of them ones where you ain't got your
Our
thing
lovely
at Christmas.
caravan. Love you lots too, Lucy. Look. This caravan's awesome. Don't ruin my laptop.
Why were we in your laptop?
Because you're looking at it.
It's not very nice, is it?
Do you understand?
Sock for 0 to 3 month old, yeah.
Oh, that's not very nice.
That's what I used to have to wear when I used to go on for my light treatment. You used to put 0 to 3 on. Do this. You know what? They used to say to you, right, are you in? I'd go in, and then there was this one nurse, no matter how many times I went, she used to say, are you in? I'm like, yeah, I'm in. Have you got your sock on? I went, yeah. What the hell are you doing?
And actually, that 0 to 3 months, I'll grow into that sock.
What, and then no one can see us? Yeah, we can see.
So be careful, and she pops up for the right dodgy position.
I know.
It's not in a dodgy position because it's on the stand.
But yeah, all the nurses are like, yeah, you're in. Have you got your sock
I've got a
on?
brain.
And I'm like, yeah, I've got my sock on. They'll just start the treatment, turn the sunbed on, or whatever you want to call it. And then there's this one nurse, only this one nurse, she used to say, are you in? Yeah. Have you got your sock on? Yeah. Have you took your jewellery off? Yeah. She'd still open the door to make sure I got my sock on. I think she was just a bit of a weirdo. Bit of a perv, yeah. Bit of a perv.
Smoke, yeah.
I'm struggling to see this now.
Put light
Yeah,
on behind you then. Oh, you mean message-wise?
Yeah.
It does look a bit dark, that one there.
Premature.
Light on the finger.
I'm struggling to see it, mate.
Well, why don't you've got the messages on the phone?
Turn that light
That
on
comes
above your
through
head.
quicker, you numpty.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the benefit of this. You get to see the messages.
It's not that.
Oh, I'm dead
You
blinded.
can't see the
I
messages.
can't see the messages properly because it's too far away. I'm getting old. I don't need glasses, but
So why don't you?
I'll turn that light off behind me now. It looks like oh.
Turn it off then, stretch your arm up.
Where is it? I don't bleed know where it is.
Oh, that's the light it's send. Don't bend your fingers.
Oh. Right.
Honest to God.
I think we should pick some more numbers at least.
Oh God,
No.
don't go there.
Right, you're supposed to be phoning. You're supposed to be getting in touch with David. So
Yes, I know.
We're gonna do it live tomorrow.
I'm not going to get in touch with David tonight.
We should after live.
We're gonna do another live tomorrow.
yeah.
Jamie just put no, she weren't a pervert. She was just checking it was a sock and not a finger from my glove.
Oh, do you want to try this pillow?
Oh dear, that's funny. That is.
Really?
What is it you're
Want
looking
to try
for?
this
Well, you
pillow?
can't.
I'll speak to you. I'll speak to you. I'll send you a message. Obviously, if you...
Yeah, see there.
You do know it's going to want to know where it is now, so you just might as well just message him after it live.
Yeah, I'm going to message you after live. Yeah. Right, guys.
See how it
What I'm going to
feels.
do because
Can
I
you
think
see what I mean?
Jay and
Yeah,
Trina and that lot,
shaped.
I think want to go to bed, and they don't want me rabbiting all night. So
No, because we know what you like. If we don't tell you to end,
if anyone
you'll
wants
be
to,
on till 4 in the morning.
if anyone wants to message me after live, that's fine because I don't have to keep them awake doing that, do I?
Well,
As long as you
Keep
turn
awake.
your volume down and it's
Keep
not
your
chinking
awake,
every
no,
2
I'm alright.
minutes.
Yeah. Bye now. See you later. But yes. So once again, it will be on till 6 a.m. No, I'm gonna end live in a minute. But same once again. Thank you all. Flabbergasted. Never thought we'd do. I will call you Tony and chat after. I'll have to go outside, won't I?
Ooh.
Dawn. I'll call you and chat after 3:30 in the morning.
Yeah, look, Trina's going to ring you, Lucy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trina needs to ring our Lucy
Yeah.
as well. Thank you all for coming on. All the team love you all.
Yes. We do.
Absolutely flabbergasted. And 70 quid for charity is pretty good because.
Yeah.
It's...
100.
100.
Tony's.
So-
Oh, sorry,
Star's
100.
making
Yeah,
it
Stars.
100.
Sorry, 100 quid for charity. That's really, really good.
2 charities.
50 quid to 2 different charities, and we've got what we originally wanted 40 quid, aren't it? We've got our 40 quid, didn't we? That's the thing.
Yeah.
It's not that we wanted it.
We wanted it,
No,
but you get
it's
what I mean.
just-
We were expecting £40 worth of tickets. That's it.
But it all goes to hiring the future locations.
Yeah.
It does. It all helps, doesn't it? But yes,
And we have got some ideas for some locations.
We need to go to Scotland.
we need to try and get up Scotland way. It's just hard, isn't it? When with me working full time, early working full time, and trying to get up there. You don't want to go up there and stop for night, do you? And then come back again.
And me being on tag.
And Jay being on tag and everything as well. So
Scotland's gonna have to be.
That were a
when
joke,
you're
by the way.
off
It's not a
against
joke,
it.
it's lying.
Yeah.
So instead of coming to Caravan, we're gonna have to arrange
probably
to
gonna
go
be
up to
October.
Scotland. Yeah.
But yes, I'll love you all, leave you all, and we'll put a post on. It'll probably be tomorrow morning now, but all the tickets have gone. So we'll put a post on. We'll also do let you know on there when we're going to do the draw. I'm trying to rub my hair. I've got no hair. When we're going to do the draw and everything as well for you.
Like you're putting a
draw
post
won't be
on,
long.
letting everybody know what the numbers they've got.
All the numbers, but this is what it's doing. So we've got £100 for charity, etc. We're going to put everything on.
Everybody what's contributed and what numbers they've got.
Exactly, yes.
We do have one supporter who hasn't been on tonight, so we may just have to increase the numbers slightly.
If Jackie does want any,
Yeah.
obviously we will have to increase it a little bit.
But we will let people know.
We will let people know.
But obviously, we'll put the poll up for the charities. We'll put the list of the prizes that we've got, just so people can remember as well. I'll put the numbers up there as well. I will be advertising for the events over the next few days.
We will try and get one for September for you as well. We will try and get something big for you for September. But that's all I'm going to say. But yes, love you all and see you all.
Just mention about supporters. If anybody does want to join supporters,
If you do want to join supporters, obviously it's £4 a month.
Obviously, if anyone that is that's bought tickets that is in the supporters.
Yes, we know. Yeah, they'll get the gist of that. If you're already paying supporter and you win obviously the year or an extra month, you just don't pay for a month, that type of thing. Or you get a year's free. You don't pay anything for a year. PM me after it's 5. I've got a great location for you. Yeah, I will do, John. No worries, pal. I actually had to message someone else. No, yesterday. I know it is. Yeah. I'll message him as well. But yeah, love you all. No doubt, my message is on. If anyone wants to text me, because I'll be awake. I don't go to sleep early, but I'll make sure my phone's on silent so I don't wake these up. But yes, love you all, and we'll put updates.
We are grateful.
Thank you very much.
We'll be grateful as well.
Yeah.
Charities will be more than
There
grateful.
will be pictures handing the money over to the chosen charities.
If it's
as well.
a local one.
Yeah, we'll see what the charities will do. We'll pick. Yeah.
But even so, you might get something back from the charity anyway.
Yeah.
Fortunate with me, what rabbiting on? Now these are rabbiting on.
Yeah, it's because we couldn't get a word in edgeways.
Sure, do face.
Well,
Right, we're going. So night, everyone. Love you all. Keep a lookout on the page.
Dolls fell.
Night, guys.
Bye.
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 Right, give me my laptop and give me your book.